Hi, I'm Beth Wilson, and I am joined by FIRST founder and inventor extraordinaire, Dean Kamen. Thank you so much for having us here today.
I'm happy to be here.
You and I both have a learning disability called dyslexia. Now
Well, you call yours a disability. I have a learning opportunity called dyslexia. As a young kid, I was having a lot of trouble learning to read and reading quickly and reading that I saw all the other kids doing, and it always made me think I must be dumb. At some point, I recognized that that's not a fundamental metric that decides how smart you are. It's a particular skill. But I decided, okay, I'll just compensate by doing other things very well. And as I got older and going through school, I realized, just as I wouldn't be a superstar student, I might not be a superstar working for a company any more than I was a superstar working for the teacher. So I figured I won't try to go get a job working for a company. Just the way I was learning to think and read stuff on my own at my own pace, I'll start my own company and I'll start making things at my own pace. I could do what I needed to do. If it took extra time or I had to work extra hard, that was okay with me. And then rather than let an arbitrary test tell the world how well I did or didn't understand something, or a boss tell me how well I did or didn't do a job, I'd rather just go do something, create something valuable, and I'll let history answer the question of whether I did a good job or not.
Well, thank you very much for giving me an entirely different view on my learning ability. What would you tell students who have struggles in schools?
I would say to any student, if you can do well in school, do it. It's easy for you, it's easy for your parents, it's easy for your classmates, and it's a valuable experience. But if you're for some reason hung up and can't do certain things well, do not get discouraged. Do not quit learning. Find a different process. Maybe it's project-based. Maybe it's building things. Maybe it's reading books on your own that aren't the textbook version that has to give you a paragraph and then a question.
Thank you so much for answering all of our questions and hosting us here today.
You're very welcome.